Explore Gift Nifty's sluggish start, Monday's market slump, and the Federal Reserve's upcoming policy decision. Get insights on Nifty, Bank Nifty trends, and key market movers as 2024 wraps up. Gift Nifty is indicating a sluggish start this Tuesday. That's on the backdrop of mixed leads from Wall Street in overnight trade, where Dow Jones traded in negative territory for 8th straight day. Blame the uninspiring start for benchmark Nifty to two catalysts. 1. In yesterday's weak markets, both FIIs and DIIs were net sellers. 2. In Monday's trade, 40 out of 50 Nifty stocks ended in the red. 3. Friday's bullish enthusiasm is seen fading, and those strong gains faded as all anxious eyes turn towards the Federal Open Market Committee's interest rate policy decision, which is on 18th December. The Fed is widely expected to opt for another quarter-point cut, but that said, volatility may be the hallmark, as the Fed may signal a short-term pause or dial back expectations for cuts in 2025. So, the big question remains, will Federal Reserve signal pause in rate cuts in 2025? Long story short, for the day, Nifty could trade depressed, but we still suspect Dalal Street still appears one of the best investment destinations this Christmas. So, all bullish eyes eagerly awaiting the arrival of Santa and his reindeer. Global cues are positive. In yesterday's trade, FIIs turned out to be net sellers to the tune of Rs 279 crores, while DIIs net sold shares to the tune of Rs 234 crores. Bullish sentiments are likely to prevail. Market breadth for the day is likely to be neutral positive. Nifty's technicals are indicating overbought conditions on the daily charts. FANO December month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 23,500 to 25,500 zone. India VIX, the fear index has spiked towards 14.0 to 3.05 levels. Nifty PCR, 26th December, is at 1.12 levels. Bank Nifty PCR, 24th December, is at 0.93. Nifty outlook, buy on dips theme shall prevail. Nifty, CMP to 4768. Biggest support on Nifty is placed only at 24,555 mark. Immediate resistance is placed only at 24,900 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 24,600 and 24900. Bias for the day is positive. Bank Nifty, CMP 53584. Bank Nifty's biggest intraday support seen only at 53,100 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest resistance is now at 54,467 mark closing basis. Bank Nifty's range of day is likely to be between 53,100 and 54100. Bias for the day is positive. As the calendar year 2024 comes to a close, sector rotation seen as the preferred theme, as in yesterday's trade. Nifty Realty Index was the biggest outperformer, up 3%. Buzzing stocks. 1. Aurobindo Pharma Ltd on Friday, 13th December, announced that its wholly-owned subsidiary, Curatic Biologics Private Ltd, has received a positive opinion from the Committee for Medicinal Products for Human Use (CHMP) of the European Medicines Agency (EMA) for Zifilti BP13, a filgrastim biosimilar. 2. Wockhardt stock price is in limelight and at its 52-week high after company's antibiotic, Zanic, successfully treated 73-year-old cancer patient. 3. International Gemological Institute IPO closes on 17th December. The firm is looking to raise 4,225 crore rupees.